guys, it's a truck! Guys, it's a truck! Hey there guys, how are y'all? It's DCS right here, and once again the weekend has come by to say hello. So this time it is, as usual, the Hot Wheels series, but it's not a car. It's got 3 out of 10 in HW Hot Trucks, so you guessed it right. It's a truck, guys. It's not the same without the Hot Wheels Flame, and it's a really cool collector's classic truck, guys. It's a really famous one, even though the 0 to 60 time is like a sundial and it probably never reaches 100 miles per hour. This is a really cool truck. I mean, a really cool one. It's mostly used for military, probably. Well, yeah, guys, this is the Land Rover Series 3 pickup truck, guys, and it has no fenders. Well, okay, it really has no fenders, so can't brag about that. And guys, the detailing on this truck is really amazing. Like, I really like those off-roading wheels right there. It's so new to the Hot Wheels, I guess. Well, yeah, let's leave the details for the looks and details, you know. So, talking about the last week's video, it was the Acura Integra GSR. If you haven't checked that out, that black car, check it out right now. It'll be popping up on the screen right now. As we didn't have the quick quiz last week, here goes, guys. The quiz is back. So, here's the question. What was the slogan used by Acura before Precision Crafted Performance? Yes, they had actually used a slogan before that. So what was that slogan? Comment your answers down below. I'll check them out. So now, it's time for one thing, the unboxing, so let's go for it! So yeah guys, finally the truck is out of the box, the Land Rover Series 3 is out, and at first I want to talk about is its tires, guys. They're really aggressive and realistic. That's really amazing. I don't see much of the tires like that, and of course the wheel rims, the chrome rims on this is really best suited for this truck right here. And yeah, this truck has all of the details which most of the Hot Wheels don't. You know, the front headlamps, it even has the turn gears with the rear tail lamps. That's really amazing. It also has the Hot Wheels nameplate. That's really cool. And talking about its side view mirrors, they're not exactly the same, but I appreciate Hot Wheels for putting an effort to put it there. And yeah, talking about its rear bumper, it's also amazing, guys. So yeah, I can't say much about its gray interior, but of course I can say more about its transparent windshield. You know, the tint, the transparent tint on this, it's really cool, and that's my most favorite thing on this truck. Well, yeah guys, there you have it. That's a round look on this truck. So let's go for the information now, guys. And now it's time to talk about the information of the Land Rover Series 3 pickup, guys. So let's start off with the engine. The engine actually came with 2 engine options, guys. That was the 2.2 liter overhead cam inline 4 cylinder, which had a petrol variant and also a diesel variant, guys. And it also had another engine option that was a 2.6 liter inline 6 cylinder, which also was the same. It had the petrol variant and also the diesel variant. Well, talking about its horsepower, guys, in the inline 4, it produced up to 73 horsepower, whereas in the inline 6, it produced up to 86 horsepower. So it's your choice with the engines. And talking about its body style, the body style, obviously, of this truck is 2-door pickup. So, yeah, there you have it. And talking about its transmission, guys, the transmission is a Synchromesh 4-speed manual with a 2-speed transfer gearbox. You know, it's a 4x4, so yeah, it has it. And talking about its production, the production actually began in 1971 and it ended up at 1985, which is a pretty average production run, if you ask me. And talking about the 0 to 60 time, as I told earlier, it's kind of like a sundial. So yeah, guys, here it is. It's actually 29 seconds. Oh my god, that's really long. And talking about the top speed, as I told, it's not a performance vehicle. So the top speed of this truck is just 68 miles per hour. Well, let's just move on to the weight, guys. The current weight of this truck is 1,380 kilograms. And the length, guys, the length of this truck is 4,445 millimeters. That's in the large wheelbase, guys. And talking about the width of this truck is 1,676 millimeters. Well, guys, I'm really sorry about the one thing, the price, guys. I really couldn't find the price of this truck because it had a lot of variations and very less people actually put this on the market. So I really couldn't find much of the prices. Well, going for the ratings, guys, according to its detailing and stuff, I give it a 9.5 out of 10. It has scored a bit higher this time. Well, guys, there you have it. That's the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all next week. And also stay safe, guys. Stay indoors. Bye-bye.